Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my full day weight loss diet that I have been following since last year. Within a month I achieved my goal after starting this diet and till now I am following this diet. Today I am going to tell you exactly what I ate. I hope you all get some motivation. Going back to the year of 2018, due to the sudden change in lifestyle and poor and unhealthy eating habit, I have put on so much of fat. I was very uncomfortable with my big tummy and I decided to work on it. I have started proper diet and workout parallelly and regularly and I got result within a month. Hope my diet will be helpful for you too. I divide my meals into 5 different parts: breakfast, morning snacks, lunch, evening snacks and dinner. After wake up in the morning, my first job is detox my body with lemon water. For this, first wash the lemon well and cut it into small pieces. Now add the lemon pieces into the water and boil it for some time. In our daily life, lot of toxic goes into our body through pollution, fried food, alcohol, through smoke, dust and through makeup. So we get too much of toxic every day and we have to detox it first in the morning. After my wake up drink, 20 minutes later I eat my breakfast. In breakfast I go for sprouts, egg, almond, paneer, etc. Basically it's a protein plate including black coffee. Black coffee speeds up weight loss, slows down the production of glucose in the body and decreases the production of new fat cells. I have my morning snacks in between 9:30 to 10. It's a high fiber snack, so it will be either oats or milk coupled with fruits. I eat both raw and dry fruits. I try to keep it low sugar, so I prefer to have natural form of sugar that already present in fruits like banana, dates, etc. I have my lunch at around 1:30 to 2 in the afternoon. For lunch, I normally go for fruit salad as I am always outside at the time. It is healthy and easy to prepare. You can have it anywhere in your office or home or even during travel. In weekend, I have rice, dal, vegetables or khichdi or lemon rice for lunch. I make sure that vegetables and dal contain less oil and spices. In the evening at around 4:30 to 5, I go for peanuts, almond, energy bar or dried chickpeas. Along with my evening snacks, I always include green tea with lemon. The caffeine present in green tea acts as a stimulant that helps fat burning and improve exercise performance. Also, green tea comes packed with less calories, so you can easily include green tea along with your evening snacks. In dinner, I go for vegetables, either it is boiled, roast, fry or steam. Although I eat all vegetables, I prefer broccoli, mushroom, cherry tomato, capsicum, green bean with chicken or paneer. I also add cucumber and tomato salad to my dinner every day. I try to keep it low carb at night, but if I feel like having rice or chapati or dal, I will have that. I normally go for brown rice, but sometimes I also have white rice. If you like my video, then don't forget to share it with your friends and also like, share and subscribe to my channel.